Hello friends! Today we're going to make this unique dining room table centerpiece with individual vases that are ideal for single clippings of flowers maybe from your garden. Stay tuned. Well, this project actually began for me at the Piggly Wiggly grocery store. I wanted to find a bottle that was clear and that didn't have any sort of imprint or labels printed onto the glass. So I found those cider bottles. And here I'm using some wood that I got from a good friend of mine. I opted for some lovely walnut and some figured maple. I just laid the bottles out in a size that I thought was, reasonably spaced, and then I cut the boards to length. You'll see in a moment that I'm actually going to assemble these with screws, but I wanted to give it some visual appeal, so I'm doing a mock tenon sort of setup with this. Now, of course, you could just use those and glue it up and it would be perfectly fine, but I wanted to give it that extra rigidity. Okay, so here I am using a Forstner bit to get those holes for the neck of the bottles to go through, and it's tougher than it looks. And I ended up going to my spindle sander so that I could put a little bit of a chamfer on the underside. This helps by putting the bottle in and taking it out. I actually assembled it with the dry assembly first without the chamfer, and the bottles were stuck. Since I wasn't relying entirely on glue to hold this together, I decided to do the finish first. My usual technique: shellac, paste wax, and then buff it smooth. Now, this is so simple and straightforward, but I haven't had a chance to try it. It's a great technique. I just drill a nice double-sized hole, and then I countersink for a screw it in, put a dowel over the top, and saw it off flush, and then it looks like you doubled it, but really, it didn't. So it's nice and strong. I think this turned out really nice. The gift was actually from my wife for Christmas, but we didn't use it until Valentine's Day once we had some tulips to put in there as individual flowers. Have you made anything like this? It's a really neat, long piece, looks great on the dining room table, as in that window. If you're new to the channel, I hope you'll subscribe for more videos, leave a comment below, and until next time, bye!